Lucy, we have seen the sun rise and set in many different places around the world, together. We have seen different sides of ourselves nobody else gets to see, together. We have conquered all the roadblocks, detours, and unexpected delays. We did this together.
This is the start of something beautiful.
I love your cheeky laugh when you know you're up to something. I love your beautiful smile and that ice cream cone chin of yours. I love that you are so kind and caring and you would do anything at the drop of a hat for the people you care about.
Just say you'll run with me, come what may. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the
With you I vow to share all the sunrises and sunsets for the rest of my life, and love you in every way I possibly can.
you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something beautiful.
Robbie, aka my honey milk sugar. Moving through life with you is the greatest gift that I've ever received.
Something beautiful.
I love your selflessness, your patience, and the generosity you show to those around you. But above all, I love that you are my person and I am yours.
Here we stand, the world awaits.
You are my best friend and have shown me what it means to be loved unconditionally. Thank you for being you. You bring so much light and humour to every single day. We have travelled the world and tried to find home in many places, but out of all of the places I have been, I know that my home is wherever you are. You are my home and my adventure all at once. With you, I am home, and there is no place like it.
Here we stand, the world awaits.
I very happily pronounce you husband, wife, and partners in life. Robbie, you may now kiss your wife.
Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful.
Lucy, you are one in a million. You light up every room you walk into and pass your warm energy on to others without even knowing. Robbie, you make Lucy the happiest girl in the world, and it really shows.
Robbie, I've been able to watch you grow and mature into the man you are today. I'm privileged to be able to call you my best mate and so proud of the man that you have become. You have found such a kind, caring wife in Lucy.